The original Spanish alphabet. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers in Spanish 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Spanish pronoun. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellas, ellos. Some of most common Spanish verbs. Ser, haber, estar, tener, hacer, poder, decir, ir, ver, dar. Spanish adjectives to describe a person. Bonito, hermoso, guapo, bello, feo, alto, bajo, delgado, flaco, corpulento. Spanish idiom. De punta en blanco, meaning dressed to the nines, dressed to kill. Dar en el blanco, to hit the bullseye. Ver todo color de rosa, to see through rose-colored glasses. Buscar el príncipe azul, to look for Prince Charming. Tener sangre azul, to be born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Encontrar tu media naranja, to find you other or better half. Ponerse rojo como un tomate means to turn red as beetroot. No hay color, it likes apples and oranges. Tener la negra, to be jinx.